Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, you will be May Nation. May Edoche they do advert for bag. You not get business, you not get what you do, you not go buy. Hey, make una sit down for one place, they look rodo. Juju Ekwensu don already jump, enter into the business. For those of you that are May Nation, Juju Ekwensu don shock us, oh. Ekwensu romance mami water. She don't shock us, she don't surprise us. Juju Ekwensu wey dey jump like cricket, ikpankara ikpokoro, ikpinki ikpaka from one place to another, wey no get direction. She don still carry herself jump like cricket, enter into May Edoche bag business. Not long ago for year, we see say May Edoche became an ambassador of this Golang something, Golang handbag, wey dem dey sell for obodo na China. After May Edoche do this advert, we never knew that Juju Ekwensu was having sleepless nights over this May Edoche endorsement. Juju Ekwensu sit down, come begin dey think. According to her, na handbag business na she wan come dey do. How we take hear this news? Our own best friend wey dem dey call Uche, na he carry am come put for outside. Those of una wey dey do best friend, remember, there is nobody that will bring your secret out than your best friend, because that is the only people that dey tell secret to, and na dem dey still come dey sell una. Juju Ekwensu so-called best friend don come open Juju Ekwensu bumbo put for outside. My people no be small thing o. As I dey talk to una so, they don dey find May Edoche, make May Edoche carry product come give Juju Ekwensu for Nigeria. Take your time, take lis ten to this video before you jump and conclude in the comment section say I say. If you don't lis ten to my video from the beginning to the end, you won't understand it o. Because not be what you dey hear from the beginning, now you go dey hear for the ending. So watch from the beginning to the end. God bless you. My people not be smart thing o. According to wetin dem carry come give us, una know say Juju Ekwensu cloth business wey dey sell, o ti gbaje, e don finish, e don fall, e don gbaje for e hand. So romance mami water, since when May Edoche introduce this brand give us, e come enter her eyes. She decided to go into bag business. She dey shame, not be say she no know how to contact, because all the contacts are there. But she's ashamed whether na May Edoche she come go pick am o, whether na person wey know May Edoche o. So shame no let am go direct to this business. She decided to use her friend wey they call Uche to talk to these people. She come call Uche, una know say Uche dey China. She come call her best friend wey they call Uche, say she wan enter bag business. Now Uche come tell am say, what about your cloth business? He say, me Uche, forget that one, say that one na story for another day. Say she won't go into bag business. Now she can say, which type of bag? Because they get different type for here. Now I can't tell she say exactly that type wey May Edoche be their brand. Now she can say, okay, problem no dey. She go do the details and tell you everything. Now she can tell and say, remember, you will send the money come o, we go buy and come give you. Not be say when load don reach now you go pay. They know they do like that for China. Now Juju Ekwensu say problem no dey. Now Uche come go bargain for bag o. As he bargain finish, come tell Juju Ekwensu say she don't bargain for the bag. See the price, see the money for everything when the thing will take reach you for your domot for Abuja. Now Juju Ekwensu romance mami water. Come tell am say, okay, wetin be the brand where you go follow by? Hope na May Edoche people no. Now Uche say no. She not go May Edoche people no. There many for here. Now another one I go. Now Juju Ekwensu say no. She know they buy for another place, except for that May Edoche brand. Ekwensu come tell Uche say she know they buy from another place, unless from where May Edoche be their brand ambassador. Now Uche come tell am say she no fit go that place o. She no fit reduce herself to that place. After all, May Edoche is in China. She too, she still in China. Why she will go dey find for where May Edoche do their brand? Now Juju Ekwensu say, is it that there or make Uche forget am? Because now there, now you want for buy. Now Uche say, why? He say, why? He say whether we should know how many things where you, he and you don't want, no one they work for them. If they sell like this before you know they don't fall down. They know they go front, they know they go back. Their life, they one place. So she was trying to buy May Edochie makeup, all those things. Because you see, say people they talk about them well. And a lot of celebrities are using it in their makeup industry. So they are using it in the Nollywood for makeup, all these makeup artists. So she decided to go and buy. She said 2, 3, 4 stores where she enter. He said the things where she hear, they shock her. He said that they tell her and say, since when did they sell May Edochie products? Say not be small blessing that they see. Like they are selling and their ways are opening. There is something special about that woman. The moment you involve yourself with her, things will just be going differently. Juju Ekwesu say na wetin all these sellers they come dey tell am. Una know say May Edochie she be, if you want to buy as a retailer, she can sell for you in the price of a wholesaler. Then the price go come down so that your fee still sell and see your gain. So a lot of people now, they are now opening their stores, buying from May Edochie and selling in their store. But if you want sell original one, no go buy fake one. No say Nigeria, they know they finish for fake. No go buy fake thing and say it's skill cosmetic beauty. Buy the original one, and you see how your life will turn for good. So these people, Juju Ekwesu say that they talk am, say since when did they buy May Edochie product? It is not only about the product. A lot of things is changing in their life. Things are getting better. Like this woman, there is like this woman, there is certain grace when they follow her. Now Juju Ekwesu come tell who she say, say so now let May Edochie product now I won't buy. The reason we make am say won't start this bag business now because say May Edochie na be the brand ambassador. They say she gets star which she carry they go. We be say anybody wey tap for inside go collect. She too she won't tap for inside May Edochie blessing. If she buy this bag now, be that May Edochie is an ambassador, maybe the bag she fit do this business, she can't be successful. So she want to try it by buying this bag from May Edochie personal brand. Now she say she not fit do that one. You just person to find that one. May only she come China. My lovely fans. Now there who she take carry Juju Ekwesu take put for outside though. Call they narrate Juju Ekwesu they go say make una see that frustrated, condemned iron when you put for his house. He said, can you imagine this woman that has condemned May Edochie name, that called May Edochie witch and wizard, that said May Edochie almost buy her, that said May Edochie if you near her go the thief person star. Say now he protect you from May Edochie harm. May Edochie be don't carry and go coven they won't chop her. He said this same Juju Ekwesu now they open mouth forgetting say now she still use her own mouth tell and say May Edochie fly come for night, but because say she na mami water pikin, she oppress May Edochie with her water power. He said now this same Juju Ekwesu now he call they tell and say he won't tap into May Edochie grace. Say she won't start to the sell handbag so that May Edochie grace will cover her. Hey, now so her best friend say sell her put for her side though. Now so her best friend carry Juju Ekwesu put for her side. Say Juju Ekwesu is a betrayer. She take her time for this China to enter taxi, not be small price. Waka find bag finish. Not knowing say Juju Ekwesu no get money. Not knowing say Juju Ekwesu dey find people grace wey want tap. Now after Juju Ekwesu see say who she who no work, she come begin dey tag Yoyoyo. Say make Yoyoyo help am with the contact. Make Yoyoyo help am. Now Yoyoyo come take go call Adama Look and Destiny Etiko. Come dey beg dem say abeg, how Juju Ekwesu fit buy bag from May Edochie and say they won't buy for May Edochie and that's a brand where May Edochie stand as an ambassador. Say they won't buy bag from there. Say make Adama Look and Destiny Etiko help them even without going through May Edochie. Say make they help them. Say Juju Ekwesu won't start to sell handbag. And this one where May Edochie advertise, they like them. Whether they feel help Juju Ekwesu. Now Adama Look can say, okay, problem no, they say they go reach out to you back. As they drop phone, now Destiny Etiko tell Adama Look, say, I better cut that phone. Who you want call? Call who? For Juju Ekwesu. So she no see another place buy bag. Now where May Edochie for they do ambassador now she won't buy back. Because the advert wey me Edo she do now because of Juju Ekwesu na do. If Juju Ekwesu is the last customer, me Edo she no go do advert for that company. Now Destiny Etiko tell Adama, look, say Adama, you don't know much about this story. She is inside. Yo and her best friend, they are very close. She is very close to me Edoche. That tells you that she knows a lot about this whole story. Night Destiny could tell Adama, look, say Adama, look, cut that phone. Juju Ekwesu is a sucking demon. Red water sucking demon, I be. That woman is a woman that can use anything to attack anybody. He said, Adama, look, for supporting me Edoche. Do you know the battle she fight with Juju Ekwesu? Glory to God that her mother was alive when he stand for her back. If not, Ekwesu Romasi Mami water for the buyer. Yes, Ekwesu Romasi Mami water for the buyer. But the mama, her mother, stood by her. Now Destiny to tell Adama, look, say Juju Ekwesu is not looking for bag to buy for profit. She is not looking for bag to sell for profit. She herself no say she be bad luck. She no say she be setback. She no say no be this bag she won't say where her life could take better. You see that they don't tell her, say bring one thing come from there. You see that she get plan and that plan is not good one, it's evil. If she want to buy, let her call by herself. Let her call them by herself. Make she talk to the people. Why did they follow Koni if they are way pure? Me Edo she drop the number. Call the number. Tell the people you want back. Why must it pass through me Edo she? That Destiny to go tell Adama, look. Say now I know these people well. All they do, eat, sleep, and wake on is juju. Whether I walk or not walk, the Bible says prevention is better than cure. So, avoid them. So Destiny could tell Adama, look. He said Juju Ekwesu get plan. She don't just need this bag because she want profit. Na lie. She have evil plan. That Destiny could want Adama, look. Say anytime when you carry the contact, give Juju Ekwesu. Anytime you connect Juju Ekwesu to these people, just know say it is over. Adama look body compose the poor woman. Poor woman self not know wetin dey happen. Now I can say na wow, ezioku things dey happen. Na so Adama look no come take call again o. You come dey call them. As you dey call them, now they come tell you say the number dey for me Edoche page. If you want that, we'll call it for you. They call the number, give you. They say make contact that number. There is no other way you can reach out to these people except through that number we me Edoche put for them. That is the only way you can get a contact with that people. Now so they call it discharge. Yo. Now they see evil people with evil plan. Now they see evil people with evil plan. So according to Destiny Etiko say na lie. Say Juju Ekwesu is not just coming because of the bag. She have evil intention. Wonder shall never end, though, my people. Only God know whether Juju Ekwesu na truly evil intention or na jealousy the warrior. Can you imagine? Now waiting me Edoche dey do now. Now she won't do. She say anything when me Edoche touch, say grace they follow. She won't tap for the grace. Juju Ekwesu, is it that you want to tap or you want to steal? Let it be clear. There is difference between tapping and stealing. Because you that I know very well, you are a stealer. You want to come and steal the grace of an innocent woman. See how they shock you. Wonder shall never end, my people. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.